Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us who helped you get your panels set up? Who was your sales manager? And how was that experience for you?
The person we worked with was Emily Zapa. She did a very nice job at communicating with us and letting us know kind of when people were coming and steps that we needed to when they were reaching out to our utilities people here in Wisconsin.
Amazing. And why did you choose to go with Green Home Systems initially?
There were several people in our neighborhood that were going through with solar, and so I started looking into it, and I saw there were good reviews with Green Home, and so I reached out. And I can't recall the gentleman's name, but he did a very nice job explaining and kind of talking to me about how the future the savings would occur too. So we moved forward with it.
Fantastic. And as far as your installation experience, how was that process for you?
It was simple and it was seamless. They came on I want to say a Thursday, and they needed to come back. They worked through the day and into the evening, and then they came back early the next morning. They worked around. I'm sorry, it was on Friday because on Saturday they came back early. Wanted to just finish up a few little things. They were able to do it. They answered all my questions. It looks really nice. They actually reconfigured a little bit from the original design to make it aesthetically more pleasing. So they were very, very helpful.
Fantastic. Now, last question for you. Would you recommend Green Home Systems as a solar option to your friends and family members?
Yes, I would. And I have a few neighbors that are asking me about this already, just seeing, and I like that you guys have this app that I'm able to see how much solar is coming, and I've been showing that to them. So I do think that there's the possibility of some people that are reaching out in our neighborhood.
Fantastic. Amazing. Well, we're so happy that you're having a great experience so far, and I thank you so much for your time and giving us this feedback.
No problem.